Good morning, students. We are going to begin the exercise 4.2. In the previous video, I have explained all the answers of exercise 4.1. Just like 4.1, we have here also 6 questions in this 4.2 exercise, and I will be explaining one by one. Hope you have completed the 4.1 exercise answers writing in notebook. Now continue with 4.2. Find the reciprocal of the following. So question number 1 is find reciprocal. So in the previous classes I explained all these topics, what is meant by reciprocal and what are the laws of exponents. So question number 1a, 1 by 7 it is 7 power minus 3. This is the given one. What is meant by reciprocal? Reciprocal means you know already. If any value is given, we just write it in the denominator, whatever the value is. So here 1 by 7 power minus 3 is 7 power minus 3 is given. So reciprocal of this is reciprocal of 7 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by, we'll write 1 and we'll bring the whole value into the denominator, 7 power minus 3. Okay, that is first step. Second step, now onwards we will apply the laws of exponents. What is the law of exponent? If anything is there in the denominator, negative power especially, negative exponent is there in the denominator, when it comes to the numerator it becomes positive. So now we can write it as this 1 into this 7 power minus 3, when comes upside it becomes 7 power 3 plus 3. So is equal to 7 power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7. 7 4s are 21. 7 1s are 7 9s are just a minute. So 49 into 7. This is equal to 7 9s are 63. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 34. So 343 is the reciprocal of 7 power minus 3. Let us solve the second one. B in this is 3 by 11 whole power 2. So reciprocal of this is reciprocal is equal to, how do we write? 1 by 3 by 11 whole power 2. Okay, so now everything we have in the denominator should be written in the numerator. So we will take it to upside, 1 power 1 into 3 by 11 as it is comes to the numerator, 3 by 11 whole power. Now this plus 2 becomes minus 2. When this whole denominator comes to the numerator position, its value, the sign of the exponent will be changed. If it is minus, converts into plus. It is plus, converts into minus. After this 1 into 3 by 11, again here it is minus 3 power minus 2 by 11 power minus 2. Okay, then 1 into everything is same, so I am not writing 1 now. Here 3, now see this 3 power minus 2 by 11 power minus 2. Again, if we want to remove the negative sign, what do? We just change its position. That means 3 power minus 2, when it comes to denominator, what happens? It becomes 3 power 2. 11 power minus 2, minus exponent comes to upside, it becomes plus. So therefore we can write it as 11 by 3 whole power 2. So this is the reciprocal. Whenever you want to change the sign of the exponent, if it is minus, you want to convert it into plus, then simply take the reciprocal of it. When you take the reciprocal, the numerator and denominator they change. 3 by 11 दिया गया था, उसका reciprocal क्या है? 11 by 3 आ गया है. Okay, so that is what it means by reciprocal. Now third one is minus 5 by 9 whole power minus 2. Okay, now we will write it as reciprocal 1 by minus 5 by 9 whole power minus 2. This whole term comes to the denominator. Next is equal to here it is negative sign. When it comes to upside, 1 into minus 5 by 9 whole power plus 2. Okay, negative sign comes upside, becomes plus. 1 into everything is same, so minus 5 by 9 whole power 2 is the answer. Reciprocal. So reciprocal 2 steps. One is writing, फर्स्ट स्टेप में 1 अपॉन में लिखते हैं, सेकेंड स्टेप में डिनोमिनेटर में से फिर से वापस से ऊपर लेके जाते हैं ताकि उसका साइन बदल जाए. And then last one of this first question, minus 1 by 2 whole power 5. So reciprocal to this is 1 by minus 1 by 2 whole power 5 is equal to 1 into, this comes upside, minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. Okay, so 1 into everything is same, so minus 1 by minus 1 power minus 5 by 2 power 5. So as I told you, minus 5. As I told you, to change the sign, what we can do, this minus 1 power minus 5 comes down, comes to the denominator, minus 1 power minus 5 comes, when it comes down, its sign will be changed. When it goes up, 2 power minus 5, it becomes 2 power 5. Now both are having the same sign, same power. We can write it as 2 by minus 1 whole power 5. But minus sign should not be there in the denominator. We'll write it as minus 2 by 1. So writing 1 in the denominator, not writing, will change no value. So we can write it as minus 2 whole power 5. So that's the answer for question number 1. Question number 2 is evaluate using laws of exponents. So here we will be using all those laws of exponents to solve these questions. Here 2 by 5 power minus 2. So that means this can be written as, first of all, to change the sign, or here it is negative power. To change the negative power, what we can take? We can take the reciprocal. That means interchange the numerator and denominator. 5 by 2 it becomes, and power becomes plus 2. डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट इट, 5 को ऊपर भेज दो, 2 को नीचे भेज दो, साइन को बदल दो, इनटू 35 comes to denominator, you write in denominator and you write in the numerator, right, plus 2. Next, here now you can write it as 5 square by 2 square into 12 power 2 12 square or 35 square. In the next step you can write it as 5 square means 5 into 5 into, all are in product, 12 into 12 by 2 square means 2 into 2, 35 square, 35 into 35. Now let us see the cancellation. 5 ones 5, 5 sevens, again 5 ones 5, 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now what is left over here? 1 into 1 into 6 into 6. That means 1 into 1 is 1 only. We'll write 6 into 6 whole by 1 into 1 1, 7 into 7. So it is 6 6 are 36. Then 7 7 are 49. So that's the answer for second A. 2B is minus 1 upon 8 whole power 3 into 32 upon 3 whole power 3. We have missed something in the question number 1 that I'll concentrate here. What we missed is, we were supposed to use the laws of exponents. That means same base, same power, such laws are to be used here. Now see here, two terms are there, minus 1 by 8 power 3 into 32 by 3 power 3. Both are having same power. So first of all, when the power is same, bases will get multiplied. So minus 1 by 8 into 32 by 3 power, both the bases are same, so we are taking common power, is equal to minus 1 by 8 Now here you can do the division. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are 32. So what is left here? Minus 1 into 4 by 1 into 3 whole power 3. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 1 into 3 is 3 whole power 3. So that's the answer for 2B. Now 2C is minus 4 by 9 whole power 2 into minus 4 by 9 whole power 3. Now see this here. What do you observe? In this you have two same bases but different powers. If the bases are same, what is the identity? What is the law of exponent we use? A by a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. If both the bases are same and they are in product form, so we simply have to add the powers. So when the powers are added, here the base in the place of a we have minus 4 by 9, minus 4 by 9. So power just add 2 and 3. So we'll have minus 4 by 9 whole power 2 plus 3, which is equal to minus 4 by 9 whole power 5. So that's the answer for 2C. Now 2D is question number 2 and D is 1 upon 2 whole power 4 divided by 7 by 12 whole power 4. Now here also we have the same powers. We can write it in this way. This can be written as 1 by 2 whole power 4 whole by, divided by means by 7 by 12 whole power 4. Okay, so here they are in the same powers but they are in the division. Same powers, they are in the division. Otherwise we can convert this division symbol into multiplication by taking 1 by 2 whole power 4. Division becomes multiplication and 7 by 2 becomes, now the next thing becomes 12 by 7. Whenever we change the symbol division to multiplication, then the next fraction or next thing will be reversed. 4 then is equal to, both are having same power, so we'll take common power 1 by 2 into 12 by 7. Powers are same, so base will get multiplied, is equal to now here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 1 into 6, 6 by 7 whole power 4. So that's the answer for 2D. Now question number 3, simplify. We just have to again use the formula laws of exponents and simplify these questions. 3 into 5 power 0, this is the A1. 3 into 5 power 0. We have learned one law that anything power 0 is equal to 1. So it is 3 into 5 power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 except for 0. किसी भी नंबर का पावर यदि 0 है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 होता है. So 3 into 5 power 0 is 1 is equal to 3. Then B1, 5 by 6 whole power minus 1 to the power minus 2. Here we have got two powers. Two powers are given. So we have an identity, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. That means both the powers will get multiplied. Single base, two powers are there, so powers will be multiplied. So here this can be written as 5 by 6 whole power minus 1 is first power into minus 2 is the second power. Now what will be the answer here? 5 by 6 minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. Okay, so here 5 power 2, 5 square 6 square, 5 square power 2 means 25, 6 power 2 means 36. So that is 3B. Now 3C is 3 power minus 2 whole power minus 4, which is equal to 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2. Again same same law. Same single base 2 powers. So 2 powers will be multiplied. 3 power minus 2 into minus 4. 3 power minus into minus plus. 2 4s are 8. So 3 is to be multiplied 8 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 8 times. 9 9 9 9. So it is equal to 9 into 9. 9 nines are, you can write it like this, 9 into 9 into again 9 into again 9 is equal to 9 nines are 81 into 9 nines are 81. Therefore 81 into 81, 81 into 81, 1 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. So it is 1 6 5 6 5 6 1. Answer is 6 5 6 1. That's question number 3C. And the last one from 3 is D. 3D is 3 power minus 1. This is where we make mistake. 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. This is for D1. So here we have 3 power minus 1, and this is not into or this is not division also. So we cannot directly apply the this law of exponent. There is no law of exponent for the plus and minus. So here don't get confused. 3 power minus can be written as 1 by 3 by taking reciprocal. This minus 1 when comes to down, it becomes plus 1. Plus same 1 by 4 power 1. Bringing it to the denominator and changing the sign. Whole power minus 1. Again, this can be written as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1. You take the LCM inside the bracket. LCM is 12. 3 goes in 12 4 times. So 4 times into already existing numerator 1 plus 4 goes 3 times into already existing numerator 1 whole power minus 1. In the next step, 4 into 1 4 plus 3 into 1 3 by 12 whole power minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 3 7 by 12 whole power minus 1. Now power is minus 1. So to make it to plus, what we can do, we'll simply change the reverse the order. 12 by 7 power 1. So this is the final answer of the 3D. So that's about question number 3. We'll go to question number 4. Continuing with question number 4, solve and find x value. 5 power x. Here one side we have exponential notation, and another side it's not in the exponential form. This type of question we solved in the previous exercise also. So what we will do, first we find out the prime factorization of this given number, and we make sure that on both sides the base should be same. So 625 जो factors यदि हम find करते हैं, what are the factors we get? 5. We must take 5 here because another side the base is also 5. So 5 ones are 5, remainder 1, 1 2 12, 5 2s are 10, again 2 remainder, 2 5 25, 5 5 is 25, again 5 2s are 10, 2 left, 2 5 25, 5 5s are 25, then 5 5s are 25, again 5 1. So this 5 power x is equal to 625 can be written as 5 how many times? 1 2 3 4 times. 5 power 1. Now on both sides base is same. On both sides base is same. So therefore x powers are also same. So x is equal to 4. For question number A, the answer for x is 4. Now question number B is 4 power 3x. 4 power 3x is equal to 1 by 64. 1 by 64. Now here 4 is in the numerator and 64, this whole term, is in the denominator. Nothing to do. It makes no difference. We just have to write it in the exponential form. This 64 take the factors of 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 8s are, and 2 4s, 2 2s, 4, 2 1s. So here 4 power x is equal to 4 power 3x is equal to 1 by 64 can be written as 2 into 2 6 times. So 64 can be written as 2 power 6. Here on both sides the base is different. So I think we'll write it like this: 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 6 times 4 power 3x is equal to 1 by, we'll take group of 2 2's. 2 2's are 4, again 2 2's are 4 into 4. Now on both sides base will be same, but it's in the denominator. We'll bring it to the numerator. 4 power 3x is equal to 1 by 4 power 3 times. So we'll bring this to the numerator. What happens? 4 power 3x is equal to 1 by 4 power 3. So by taking the reciprocal, when it comes to upside, it becomes 4 power minus 3. It's not like we can change it to anywhere, but we change it according to the formula, according to the laws or principles. So now on both sides base is same. So 4 power 4 and 4 same. So 3x powers, what are the powers? 3x, and another side is minus 3. Therefore x is equal to, this 3 goes to other side, minus 3 by 3. It's in the product. When it comes to other side, comes to denominator, division. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, minus 1. So what is the value of x? X is minus 1. So that's about the question number B of 4. Now we will go to the C. 4C is 2 power 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 power 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. Now this question, again 2 here in the exponential form, but 32 is a normal number. So we will write the prime factorization of 32. So as base on left side is 2, so we'll go ahead with 2. 2 16 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times. This can be written as 2 power 2x plus 1 is equal to 32 is written as 2 power 5. Now on both sides base is same. On both sides base is same. So therefore powers are also same. Therefore what are the powers? 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now we need only x value. So 2x is equal to 5. This plus 1 comes to other side, minus 1, it is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4. 2 is in product. When it comes to other side, it comes to denominator. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So the x value is 2 in 4C. Now the D1 of 4 is 4D is 3 by 7 whole power 5 into 3 by 7 whole power 3 is equal to 3 by 7 whole power 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Now we can see here 3 by 7, 3 by 7, same base, and another side also base is same. First of all we need to convert these bases. Same base, different powers. So when bases are same and they are in product form, we will take a common base and powers get added. 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 by 7, 3x plus 2. Now see, on both sides base is same, so powers are here. Before that we'll write this one more step. 3 by 7 whole power 8 is equal to 3 by 7 whole power 3x plus 2. Now on both sides base is same, so powers are equal. What are the powers? 8 is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, now 3x plus 2, we need only x value. We'll leave 3x aside. 8, 2 is in addition with 3x, so when it goes to other side, subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then x is equal to, this is in product. When it comes to other side, it comes to denominator or into division. 2, so the x is equal to 2. So that's question number D of 4. Now question number 5. By what number should minus 6 power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is minus 2 power minus 1? माइनस 6 पावर माइनस 1 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करना है ताकि क्वेश्चन जो आएगा माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 पावर माइनस 1 आना है, यानी कि माइनस 6 पावर माइनस 1 डिवाइड करना है. इसको किससे डिवाइड करना है? सो अननोन को हम x लेते हैं इज इक्वल टू, जब इसको हम इससे डिवाइड करेंगे आंसर जो भी आएगा विल राइट इट इक्वल टू माइनस 2 पावर माइनस 1. सो वी आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड x वैल्यू हियर. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल राइट इट इनटू, विल चेंज दिस सिंबल माइनस 6 पावर माइनस 1 into x. Okay, I have changed into 1 by x. The division becomes to multiplication and this goes to the denominator is equal to minus 2 power minus 1. हमें x value चाहिए, so leave minus 6 whole power minus 1 here only, and this is in the denominator. When it goes to other side, it comes to the numerator, minus 2 power minus 1. Now we need only x value, bring it to other side, minus 6 power minus 1, it's in the denominator, sorry, in the product form. So when it comes to other side, minus 2 power minus 1 is equal to x. So x we have got here is x is equal to minus 6, both are having same power minus 1, so I will write it as minus 6 by minus 2 power minus 1. Now again it is negative power, we need to convert it into positive power. Before that both are having same sign on both numerator and denominator, so the minus get cancelled, it is 6 by 2 whole power minus 1. If anything, if any value is having negative power, that can be just reversed and written positive, so it becomes 2 by 6 whole power 1. So that's about question number 5. What is the number to be divided? किस नंबर से what is the number we need to find out for dividing this? That is 2 by 6 power 1, that means 2 by 6. So that's the question number 5. Now the last question of this exercise is express the following as negative exponents. Till now we have solved the questions. Wherever we find negative exponent, we convert it into positive exponent. Now the question is changed, convert them into negative exponents. नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स में कन्वर्ट करना मतलब यदि पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट दिया जाएगा, पावर इज पॉजिटिव, यू टेक द रेसिप्रोकल, ऑटोमेटिकली इट बिकम्स नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इन क्वेश्चन 6 इज minus 5 power 2. Here the power is plus negative positive power. So to take reciprocal of it, reciprocal, what happens? Reciprocal means take writing 1 divided by 2. Okay, in other words, this is one way you can write, and when the same whole complete value comes upside, it becomes minus 5 whole power minus 2. Just a confusion, sorry children. Reciprocal of 1 by minus 5 power 2, we are not going to take reciprocal here. Minus 5 whole power 2 I'll bring it to the denominator 1 by minus 5. So when I write it in the denominator, obviously it must be written as power minus 2. It should be written as whole power minus 2. So now we can write it as minus 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. Now the exponent is negative exponent b1. Now you will see here, you will understand better. 4 by 7 whole power 3. This is the positive exponent. Need to convert into negative exponent. So 4 को नीचे लेके आते हैं. Now 4 power is 3 and 7 power is also 3. 4 का जो पावर है उसको नीचे लेके आते हैं और 7 पावर को ऊपर लेकर आते हैं, यानी कि डिवीजन में 4 comes down becomes minus 3, 7 goes up becomes minus 3. Both are having same power, so 7 by 3, 7 by 4 whole power minus 3. दो जो पॉजिटिव पावर था वो नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट हो गया. Now C1 is 12 by 31 whole power 5. Same, you can write it as 12 power 5 by 31 power 5. Then again bring upside 31 power minus 5 whole by 12 power minus 5 is equal to, both are having same power, 31 by 12 whole power minus 5. That is C. The last one D is minus 9 by 11 whole power 9 is equal to, write it as minus 9 whole power 9 by 11 power 9. Now bring minus 9 to down, minus 9. We are bringing it to the denominator and we are taking it to the numerator, 11 power minus 9. Now both are having same power. You can write it as 11 by minus 9 whole power minus 9. But denominator should not have minus, so we'll send the minus also to the upside. That is minus 11 by 9 whole power minus 9 is the ultimate answer for the question number D of 6. So this is about exercise 4.2. Write all these answers in notebook. If you didn't understand any particular question, rewind, go back for a few seconds and then watch it again. Definitely you will understand and update the notebook. That's it for today. Good day and goodbye.